Hello students, welcome to the coordinate geometry parabola part 1. So what is parabola? So parabola is locus of point having equal distance from a fixed point and a fixed line. So suppose this is line and this is fixed point. Fixed point is x1 y1 and this line is x plus bx plus c is equal to 0, general line. So point will be here. So this distance and this distance will be equal. Point will be here. So this distance and this distance will be equal. Point will be here. So this distance and this distance will be equal. Similarly, this and all are equal. This line, this distance will be equal. This distance and you draw a curve through all points. You will get the parabola. So this is a variable point. Suppose this is variable point, this is alpha and beta. Then locus, how we'll find? This distance will be equal to this distance. So this distance is perpendicular distance from this one. So ax1, that means a alpha plus b beta plus c divided by root a square plus b square is equal to distance. This one alpha minus x1 the whole square plus alpha minus beta minus y1 the whole square. Square it both sides. Then a alpha plus b beta plus c by a square plus b square. This square is equal to alpha minus x1 the whole square plus beta minus y1 the whole square. So now you replace alpha beta with xy. So ax plus by plus c is equal divided by a square plus b square the whole square is equal to a minus x1 x minus x1 the whole square plus y minus y1 the whole square. So this is the equation of parabola general. Now suppose we want to calculate for the something like this is called focus. This is called focus and this is called directrix. Fixed line is called directrix and fixed point is called focus. So this point is A0 and then this will be x is equal to minus a line. So this will be distance A and this is equal distance A. So here the point and this distance will be equal to this one. This distance will be equal to this one. So now put this value here. So x plus a is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to a and a 0. So x1 is equal to a and y1 is equal to 0. So put this value here. So a is equal to 1. That means x, b is equal to 0, c is equal to a. So x plus a the whole square. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. So this one 1. This one x1 is equal to a. So x minus a the whole square is equal to y1 minus y square. So this one x square plus a square plus 2ax is equal to x square plus minus 2ax plus a square plus y square. So a square get cancelled and x square get cancelled. Then equation will be y square is equal to 4x. So y square is 4x. What type of parabola? Parabola having directrix x plus a is equal to 1, x plus 0, and the focus a0. Now, if a put a is equal to minus a, so a minus a is equal to 0, that is directrix, and focus is minus a 0. So the parabola will be like that. So here, what will be the parabola? Y square is equal to minus 4ax. Similarly, in this way, if this point is focus is 0b, and this is x plus b is x plus b is equal to 0, this line. So this will be x square is equal to 4bx, 4by, sorry, and for x minus b is equal to 0, here is equal to 0 and minus b. So here equation will be x square minus 4bx, x square and 4by. So this will, it will change like this. So now some terminology. Terminology. So this is directrix. This point is focus. This point is called vertex. This is called axis. Suppose this point is P and this is M. So SP divided by PM is equal to 1 because equidistance, and this is also called eccentricity. Eccentricity. So eccentricity of parabola is 1. Any chord which is passing through the focus is called focal chord. Focal chord. And if focal chord is perpendicular parallel to y-axis, then this is called latus rectum line. Latus rectum line. And this distance will be called latus rectum. So here point is A0. So if put, and here also will be A and y is equal to something which will get from the y square is equal to 4ax. So put x is equal to a, then that is 4a square is equal to y square. So y is equal to plus minus 2a. So this coordinate is a 2a and this coordinate is a minus 2a. So total this length latus rectum is 4a. Latus rectum is equal to 4a. So this is the basic what we have learned. Now come to the another point, that is tangent. So suppose some point is there on parabola tangent. One more thing, that is parametric equation. Y is equal square is equal to 4x. So if y is equal to put 2at and x is equal to at square, so it will satisfy this equation. 2at 4a into at square. So this one is 4 a square t square. Here also 4a square t square. So it will always satisfy. So two variable y and x converted into one variable in parabola. So this is the parametric equation which we can use in the this one. And for x square is equal to 4ay, so it will be different. That is x is equal to 80 square and x is equal to 280 and y is equal to 80 square. So this is this parametric equation for this type of parabola only. So now come to the tangent. So suppose here this point is x1 y1, or you can write 80 square comma 280. So slope equation is same, p is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 4x. So this one will be y1 plus 2ax plus x1. So this is the equation is of tangent. Equation of tangent. If we want to write in parametric form, then y is equal to y1 is 280. 280 to 2a x plus 80 square. So 2a get cancelled, then equation is yt is equal to x plus 80 square. So this is the equation of tangent in parametric form. So suppose point is a t1, then this is t1. So any point on the parabola you can find the equation of tangent. So now equation of tangent is y1 is equal to 2ax plus 2ax1, and we know y is equal to mx plus c, any general equation. So we try to find out, we compare it here. So y1 is equal divided by 1 is equal to 2a divided by m is equal to 2a divided by c. So y1 is equal to 2ax1, okay, 2ax1 divided by c. So y1 is equal to 2a by m and x1 is equal to 2ac by m. So this is the point on the parabola. This is the point on the parabola. So suppose one parabola is given, one line is given. So line, then m you will know, parabola is there, then 4ax you will know, c you will know. So you can find the this point by this formula. Now you put these values in y is equal to 4ax. So y1 square is equal y1 square is equal to 4ax1. So though you put this, so 2a by m the whole square is equal to 4a into 2ac divided by m. So 4a square by m square is equal to 8a square c by m. C square a square get cancelled, m and m get cancelled. So c is equal to x is equal to c by m. Sorry, x is equal to c by m. This one get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So x1 is equal to c by m. So x1 is equal to C by m. X1 is equal to C by m. So here C by m. Then 4a, this is 4a C by m. So 4 get cancelled, a get cancelled, then C will be C and M get cancelled. Then C will be a by m. C will be a by m. So equation of tangent will be y is equal to mx and c is equal to a by m. So this is the tangency condition. Tangency condition. Condition of parabola. In circle, what we had got? Y is equal to mx plus a plus minus root over m square plus 1. Here what we got? Tangency condition. Y is equal to mx. This one we got. So now we can write the equation in m square m form. So that is m square x minus mx minus m by m square minus m by plus a is equal to 0. So suppose one point is outside the parabola. Suppose this point is outside the parabola. That is x1 y1. So from there tangent is drawn. One more tangent can be drawn here. So this equation will give you, if suppose this x1 y1 put here, say m square x1 minus m y1 plus a is equal to 0. So m1 plus m2 is equal to what? Minus y1 by minus y1 by plus y1 by plus y1 by x1. So this is the m1 plus m2. Suppose this one m1, this one m2, and m1 into m2 is equal to m1 is equal to a by x1. Actually in circle what we had got? m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 is equal to what we have got? 2x1 y1 divided by x1 square minus a square, and m1 into m2 is equal to y1 square minus a square divided by x1 square minus a square. That we got in circle. Here we got this one. So this point is outside. So actually this is enough for the Maharashtra board, but for the JEE Main if you want, then you see the further video. Hello students, welcome to the basic mathematics series. Having a strong command over basic mathematics is prerequisite for desired success in IIT Advanced, JEE Main and other engineering entrance examination. Today we'll discuss about geometrical properties of parabola. This is a part 1. Part 1. So what is the parabola? Parabola is locus of the point which makes equal distance. This means this distance and this distance. This distance and this distance. This distance and this distance will be same for all the points. So the fixed point is called focus, and the fixed line is called directrix. So, and the line perpendicular to the directrix and passes through focus is called axis. and this point is called vertex. So you take any line from the focus. So this distance and this distance will same. If this is x, then this also be x. Let us have a standard equation, that is y square is equal to 4ax. If y square is equal to 4x, then directrix equation will be x plus a is equal to 0. That means if this one is 0, 0 origin, so this distance will be minus a, and this distance will be a with respect to the origin. So suppose one point is there, that is x1, y1. So what will be the this distance? This distance will be a plus x1, and this distance also same a plus x1. So and the focus coordinate will be a0, because this length from here to here is a. Now let us come to the properties of focal chord. So what is a focal chord? So that chord passes through focus. This is a focus, a0 point passes through focus, is called focal chord. And the focal chord which is parallel to the directrix is called latus rectum. What is a latus rectum? So we know this distance and this distance will be equal. So if this distance is a and this is also a, because so this distance will be also 2a. So length of latus rectum will be 4a. 2a plus 2a is equal to 4a. Length of latus rectum will be 4a. So what is the second point? Suppose here it is a standard equation, so parametrically it can be written a t1 square and 2at. So what will be the coordinate of this point? So this point will be, suppose a t2 square is equal to 2a t1. So this will be t1 is equal to minus 1 by t2. So this is the relation between extremities, or you can further drive it x2. What will be the x2? X2 will be a t1 square, a t2 square. So a t2 square means a t2 is equal to 1 by t1 square. So x2 coordinate will be a by x1. So a t2 is equal to minus 1 by t1. So minus 2 1 by t1 is equal to, we can derive this one by, see, we want to know the x2. So x2 is equal to a t2 square. So t2 is equal to minus, so a into minus 1 by t1 the whole square. So a divided by t1 square, then we multiplied by a both side, a. So this one a square by x1 square. Similarly, you can calculate y is equal to y2 is equal to 2a t2. 2a t2 means 2a minus 1 by t1. So this one minus 2a by t1 multiplied by 2a and 2a. So that is equal to minus 4a square divided by y1. So y2 is equal to, so this coordinate is nothing but minus a square by x1 square comma minus 4a square divided by, sorry, this is a plus 4a square by y1. This is not x1, this is x. This is x. So here by a square by x1 and minus 4a square by y1. Now come to the, this is the relation with the itna. Now let us find the focal distance of this chord. What is the length of this chord? So this one we know, this one is a plus x1 and this one will be a plus x2. So length of the chord, and this one is also a plus x1 and this one is also a plus x2. So length of the chord is equal to 2a x1 plus x2. Is the length of focal chord. Now come to the focal chord as the diameter of circle. So you draw a circle. Considering focal chord as a diameter. So focal chord as a diameter, you draw the circle, this it will touch the directrix. It will touch the directrix. And this is another focal chord. This is another focal chord. And if you draw the circle here, here. So again, it will touch the directrix. That means directrix is locus of the tangents of point of intersection of the tangent of the focal chord. So this angle is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is a very another important property. Now this is a focal length and draw the circle considering the diameter as a focal length. Then it will touch the y-axis. So again this will be 90. So again suppose if you take another focal chord, this one, at considering diameter, you draw the circle. Again this circle will touch the this y-axis. So y-axis is the locus of this one, these points. Now come to the properties of tangent of parabola. So suppose standard y square is equal to 4ax equation, then tangent at the point this one which is having coordinate x1 y1 or at1 square to at1. So that will be y by 1 is equal to 2ax plus x1. So what is the slope? So y is equal to 2a divided by y1 x plus 2a x1 by y1. So this one is the slope. So slope of 2a by y1, and put y1 is equal to 2a is equal to y1 is equal to 2a p1. Then this will cut, then this will be 1 by p1. So slope of tangent at any point x1 y1 or a1 t at1 square or 2at, that will be 1 by t1. This is the equation and slope of parabola. Now put of the perpendicular from focus on tangent and image of the focus. So suppose this is a tangent, and if you are drawing put of perpendicular, so previously we have seen that by this taking this diameter it will touch here, so this is 90 degree. So any of foot of perpendicular from the focus to the tangent will lie on the y-axis and make, obviously it will make 90 degree here. So if you extend this to same length, then it will touch directrix and touch it will cut directrix, and if you draw a line parallel to the x-axis, it will be the same point. So for properties of parabola, we know this one is equal to this one. This one is also equal. This one is, so this angle alpha will be equal to this angle alpha, and this image will be like this. So now come to the next, that is point of intersection of the tangent. So point of intersection of the tangent. Suppose one tangent is here and this is a chord. It may not be focal chord. From here, if you are drawing a tangent, if focal chord will be there, then definitely it will cut this. So this is the point of intersection. So point of intersection will be a t1 t2, because it's a t1 and this will be t2 point. So a t1 t2, a t1 plus t2. So in coordinate terms, it will be geometric mean of abscissa of this point and this point, and plus minus this sign will take as per the y1 into y2. If y1 y2 sign is positive, then we'll take positive. If y1 y2 sign is negative, then it will take negative. And in y-axis, that is not issue. It's just a schematic mean of coordinates of this point and this point. And now come to the length of tangent between the directrix and the point of contact, subtend right angle at the focus. So this is the length of tangent. So from there you draw a line to the focus, and this is line. So this will be 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. Now come to the properties of normal. So first is, any normal cannot pass through focus except this axis, because the axis is also normal at this point. So except this axis, it will not pass. and this is the normal, this normal at this point. So suppose a one perpendicular, one parallel from x-axis line coming. So we know that it will pass through the focus. That means its normal will be bisecting this line, because reflection, Snell law से, Snell law says कि law from law of reflection, this angle will be same, and this is 90 degree is the tangent. So that means one circle can be drawn. So if circle can be drawn, considering this a diameter and this a center, focus as a center, so this length will be equal to this length will be equal to this length. That means SP is equal to SN is equal to ST. This angle made by the parallel to the axis and focal length is divided by the normal that we have already discussed. This will be alpha and this also will be alpha. Then come to the point of intersection of the two normals. Suppose one normal is drawn from the point T1 and another normal drawn from the point T2. Then this you remember, this will be the coordinates of x-axis. This is x coordinate and this will be a y coordinate. X coordinate is a T1 square plus T2 square plus T1 T2, and y coordinate is minus a T1 into T2 T1 plus T2. Now come to the last property of normal. So last property of normal is, suppose this normal, this cut here and this cut here. So suppose is this a point is a t square and 2a t. So coordinate of this point will be a t plus 2t the whole square minus 2t plus 2 by t 2 by t 2 by t to the power uh, and a. So this will be the coordinate of this point. Thank you. Hello students, welcome to the basic mathematics series once again. As you know that having a strong command over basic mathematics is prerequisite for the doing well in IIT Advanced, JEE Main and Engineering Entrance Examination. Let's continue to the part 1. In part 1 we have left two of the important focal chord properties, that is 1 by A is equal to 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ. So what is SP? SP is this one SP and this one SQ, and this length is A, and another is PQ, focal chord length, will be equal to 4A into focus square A. What is A? This angle is A, angle made by focal chord with the positive x-axis, that is A. So now come to the most important thing. Actually we have to ask, we are asked this one area of parabola. So we'll try to find out the area of parabola without using integral calculus. So one Archimedes formula is there, that area of parabola segment is equal to 4 by 3 into area of triangle. So this is applicable for the parabola surrounded by this one parabola. Suppose this is y is equal to 4x and this is line x is equal to c. That means here to here it is C, and this distance, that is this distance will equal to this distance, and this is nothing but A plus C, A plus C. So this distance will be also A plus C. Then this distance, suppose this one is P, then PT distance, PT distance is equal to A plus C the whole square, and this distance is A minus C minus A. So A plus C the whole square minus C minus A the whole square under root is equal to root over 4AC, that is equal to 2 root AC. So this is this distance. So full distance is 2 into 2 root AC, that is equal to 4 root AC. Now this is area of parabola segment, full area, full segment, this segment, this segment, full segment will be 4 by 3 of this. 4 by 3 of this means 4 by 3. So area of triangle. First we have to find the area of triangle. Then OPQ. This is the point Q is equal to half into C into 4 into root AC. That is equal to 2 into C into root AC. So area of parabola segment is equal to 4 by 3 into area of triangle root 2 root C into root AC. So 8 by 3 C into root AC. Now question. Suppose pi square is equal to x parabola is surrounded by x is equal to 4 line. Then C is equal to 4, A is equal to 1 by 4. Then the area of parabola will be area of parabola will be 8 by 3 into 4 into 1 by 4 into 4, that is equal to 32 by 3. This is the answer. So this is the answer. Okay. Now come to the second part. Second part, this type of parabola segment. In this, actually area of parabola segment will be 2 by 3 of area of PQT. Area of PQT. What is PQT? This is the tangent from this point, and this is the tangent from this point, and this is the point of intersection. So first, how we'll calculate the area of parabola? So area of area of the triangle. So suppose this one is H1, and this one is suppose X. Then half into X into H1 plus half into X into H2 will be area of triangle. So half into X into H1 plus H2. So H1 plus H2 is nothing but by 1 minus by 2. By 1 by 2 what is a coordinate. x1 y1, and this one is x2 y2. So half into x into y1 minus y2. And now we have to find out the x. So what is the x? Suppose this is point of intersection, that is alpha beta. Anyway, alpha beta we know that alpha is equal to plus minus root over x1 x2, and this sign we take sign as per the sign y1 into y2. If y1 into y2 is positive, then positive, otherwise negative. So itna is equal to is a arithmetic mean y1 by y2 divided by 2. So this one is alpha, and from alpha we can know this point also, because you put in this line. I'll suppose you will get alpha 1 beta 1, alpha 1 beta 1. So x will be alpha 1 minus alpha. Alpha beta is there, so beta will be the same by, and this is the alpha 1. So x will be alpha 1 minus alpha and by 1 minus by 2. So basically you have to find the point of intersection of this point, this point, this point, and this point. Then you will be able to calculate the area of that triangle, and in that area of triangle you multiply 2 by 3. Let us solve one question. Let us, we are having one parabola, that is y square is equal to 4x, and line is y is equal to x plus y is equal x plus y is equal to 3. So suppose this is a parabola, y is equal to 4x. So and here x plus y is equal to 3, and this length will be 1 a, this is also n. Now you draw a, so first we have to find the point of intersection here and this one. So I'll find, just put the value y square, x is equal to y minus 3, x is equal to y minus 3. So here you put 4 and x is equal to y minus 3. So y square minus 4 by plus 12 is equal to 0. So y minus 2, 3 minus, sorry, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 minus y. 3 minus y. So x is equal to 3 minus y. So here plus, here minus. So that will be y minus 2 and y plus 6. Then y is equal to 2 and minus 6. So x will be x will be y is equal to, we put y is equal to 3, so x will be 1, and if y, if put y is equal to minus 6, then x will be 9, then x will be 9. So here coordinate is 1 2, is a 1 2, and here coordinate is 9 9, minus 6. So what will this coordinate? This coordinate is plus minus root x1 x2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. The root x1 x2. The x1 x2 is a 9. Then root 3. So whether it take plus or minus, so calculate 2 into minus 6, that is negative, so it will be negative. So negative 3. So this coordinate is negative 3 and this coordinate is minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. Now calculate the area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is half is equal to alpha 1 minus alpha and y1 minus y2. So that is half alpha 1 minus this one. So first you will have to find this one also, alpha 1 also. So here y value is minus 2 only. So put y is equal to minus 2 in that is equation. So by minus 2 you will put, then this point will come 8. Y is equal to minus 2, then now will 3. So x is equal to 5. So here coordinate will come 5 minus 2. So alpha is 5. 5 minus of minus 3. Y. Y is 2 minus of minus 6. So half into 8 into 8. 32. Then area of parabola. Area of parabola. Parabola will be half into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 32. Then is equal to 64 by 3 answer. Thank you.